Today is May 13 and nag-apply na si ate ngayon ng student visa. I-apply ko siya. Last week lang nag-announce yung Canada na yung application for student permit have to be submitted by May 15 so that you could have a decision by August 6. And yung sister ko is September intake siya. So talagang minadali na namin tong application ng visa niya. And nakaabot naman, May 13. Yeah. So for now, samahan niyo na lang ako mag-apply ng student visa niya. Okay? So, Lord, hindi ko pa to ilalabas yung video na to. Saka na to kapag i-welcome ko na si ate sa airport. Yes! Okay, here we go, sis. Ito na. Proof of funds. Okay. I'm uploading it na. Sana kasya yung size. Kung hindi, I have to ano pa. Oh, shucks. Ayun na nga. 4 MB. So, kapag ganito na hindi kaya yung document, sobrang laki ng document kasi madami siyang files inside, madami siyang pages, yung PDF. What you can do is go to I love PDF. This is my favorite. So, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit sa sa any immigration stuff ko. Ever since nung nag-extend ako ng student permit ko and nung nag-apply ako ng PGWP ko, everything I did it on my own lang. So, yeah, your PDF is now smaller. Okay, lagay ka natin siya sa labas. My job for today is done. I am going to watch my Korean series. Date. I put welcome to Canada ate and some banner here with a view of the very nice amazing sunset, and I rearranged the living room. Hello. And so I rearranged the living room. I just want the bigger space in the area, and I put this one are still here. Curtains are not yet installed. These are the curtains, and this is the dining area. So I am planning to put a plant here and another one there and another one here and a nice lamp here. And yeah, that's basically it. So nice. Welcome to Canada with the banner. I think I'm gonna buy like a banner again from there, right? It would be nice. Yep, I'm gonna buy a new one. Finished eating and I bought the new banner for this one. Ta-da! Oh, look at the sun! My sister is now done at the immigration at the airport in the Philippines, and she is now going to the gate and gonna wait there. So yeah, tomorrow she is going to land here around 4:25 p.m. So I'll probably be in the airport around 5:30 because she still have to undergo and go to the immigration because they're gonna release her study permit there and get her luggages and all that stuff. So yeah, I already bought the cake earlier, and tomorrow for our food I'm just gonna order Uber because I want it to be fresh and hot. I don't wanna cook stuff tomorrow because I have a gender reveal party tomorrow with one of my coworkers. So I'm gonna be there around 12 noon to 3 p.m. and then I will head back here and then go to the airport around 5 or 6. So it depends because sometimes of course the airplane will be delayed because the last time I came here it was delayed for like 2 hours, and it's a connecting flight too to Tokyo for her. because there's no direct flights anymore for our target date. That's why there's no choice. That's why she doesn't have a choice but to book that one. So yeah, since she's going to the Tokyo first for the connecting flight, it's probably gonna be delayed for sure. So it's Friday today, 8 p.m. and it's Saturday in the Philippines, 8 a.m. now. And she is going to board around 9 a.m. And I will have to sleep first, and then tomorrow I'll pick her up at the airport. Wala pa rin akong curtains. I'm gonna wait for her so that we could install the curtains here. Kasi I love the view pa rin naman because of the sunset. So, update. My sister is at the airplane right now. Oh my god, this is so freaking real. Ta-da! And nag-laundry na ako kasi ang dami kong laundry pala. So, I have to wash my curtains and some of the bedsheet as well kasi wala pang kama si ate. So, dito muna ako sa sala tutulog kasi kailangan magkahiwalay kami since naka-quarantine siya sa loob ng room. So, dun muna siya, but I don't know, we'll see. Maybe tomorrow bibili kami ng bed kasi yung sleep country is nandun lang naman sa gilid. So, yeah, maybe we'll just go there tomorrow. So, right now, I am going to put this up to here. If you know, pag-open niya ng pinto, welcome to Canada, ate. And then, banners, and then our food will be here. I'm gonna put the cake here and all that stuff. So, I'm gonna take a picture sa kanya dito. Diba? Okay, I am ready to go. I'm just gonna wear sneakers today because I feel like I'm gonna run a lot since I have two events to attend today. One, gender reveal, and two is going to the airport to pick up my sister. But before that, I have to get the crinkles, the cookies that I ordered for later. So, yeah. Whew. Bye! I'm late. I'm here. Dito na ako nakamil. Grabe, ang tagal ng biyahe ko, 1 hour. And then after this, I'm gonna go to the park for the gender reveal for commute of another 1 hour. And going to the airport of another 1 hour. What a day. Hey, I got it. Thank you so much, Camille and Tita, for this. I super love this. Favorite. Wala pa nga ako. Ay, grabe. It's my first time kasi pumunta sa airport ng using this train, and I have like 18 minutes to be there unless 48 minutes na yung next. I'm always like this. Lagi ako nagmamadali. Okay, nakapid na ako sa train. Ang ganda ng train na to. It's my first time riding this train and it's an experience and I love it. It's super nice. Para kang nasa airport. Even the seats, para kang nasa airplane. Look at that. And there's like provisions here para safe. Social distance yung mga tao. And yeah. Meron pa. Dito, meron pa table dito if you need to eat. Kasi ito yung train na sasakyan nila after nila bumaba sa airplane if they are going to commute. So, yeah. The next station is Weston Station and then the last one is Pearson International Airport na. So, basically, 4 stations lang itong train na to for the UP train. Oh my god, it's so nice. Wow. It's so nice. And ito yung train na to kasi ito yung ginagamit nila going to different places. Siyempre kasi Canada is malaki siya, diba? Ito yung gamit nila when you are going somewhere, let's say Mississauga or Quebec, all those stuff. There's even provisions there para lagyan ang luggage mo. And then again, this one. Yeah. These are sacrifice to charge your phone and stuff. Malapit ka na sa airport kasi ang ganda sulat. Like, ito yung na-feel ko before nung nag-land ako dito. Like, sobrang like, Canada talaga, you know? Kasi ang konti ng establishment and sobrang ganda ng paligid.
is Toronto Pearson International Airport. Le prochain et dernier arrêt est l'aéroport international Pearson de Toronto.
And ayun yung Air Canada barrel. Okay, I am here at the train station with my thing and I'm gonna wait for my sister now. Terminal 1. There. Kinukuha na lang ni ate yung luggage niya. And we're good to go after. Woo! Okay, so I just ordered our food. And And it's gonna arrive there in 30 minutes. And ready ko na din yung Uber namin so that we could go right away. So, yeah. Sobrang oily. Grabe, 6 hours.
Sobra.